Hey guys, so welcome to another video. Today we have another Wise product. Well, tell me what you got, but I got a Wise camera, and this is a request from one of you to my little cute email that is it possible to power a regular Wise camera or most of the small low power 5-volt USB cameras to make it like a mobile camera, so you can take this to a corner of the house for a period of time, or even outside, as long as the Wi-Fi can be grabbed by it, to record or surveil or whatever you want to do. And the answer is absolutely yes. With one of these, or any equivalent of a backup power bank, or whatever you want to call them. I happen to have this one that I reviewed before, that came in a pack of 2. Yes, the battery is full. I tested this method before, by the way. This is not my first time testing it. It worked, and it stayed on for 8 hours and 45 minutes. With this camera and this battery, 8 hours and 45 minutes, and I did not fully charge this power bank. I just had it, however, I had it in the drawer, and probably was around 90%, I would guess. But yes, it worked. Why would you do something like this? Well, let's say one day you want to take your security camera and put it on another window that you might have some problem, or you just want to watch something, or you want to record something for a long period of time, which with your phone you can't do that, and a lot of camcorders, unless you have a big card or something. Well, with this you can monitor it and record or take screenshots as needed, plus record motion detection, plus sound, plus talk back. So you can put it anywhere you want. You don't need a USB outlet, you don't need a power outlet, you don't need nothing, just a battery, a micro USB, and your camera. In this case, I have a Wise camera. If it were something else that powers up with 5 volts, yes, it would still work. And let me try it here for you. I have my phone that I'm signed on to my Wise account already. I'm gonna put the camera on this side. And yes, before I go ahead, I have a 16 gigabyte micro SD card inside it. And yes, this is where that goes on the magnetic base if you want it for inside. And let's plug it in and see it. I have no other power but the battery right here. I plugged it in, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a light that turns on and off right there. And just give it probably a second or two to connect to the Wi-Fi and all that stuff. And let me prepare the app itself. And yes, I hear the camera clicking right now. Let's go to our Wise app. This is my Wise camera. I don't need these instructions. And no, it hasn't connected yet, looks like. So let's wait for it to connect. And let's go to the app right now and see if the camera connected. And yes, this is the camera. This is the other one for the front door. Let me click here and give it a second to connect. And yes, the camera is connected and working very well. As you see right there, it's actually detecting motion and detected my laptop. It has quite a wide angle, by the way. And yes, this battery will take it almost 9 hours. If you have a bigger battery, you can take it even further. If you have one of those beefier battery banks, you can take it even further than that. And yes, this is the screen. And let me just show it to you real quick so you can see that I'm not just playing around here. This is my hand in real motion, powered just by this small battery right here. Or if you put one of these other beefy batteries, which are, whoa, kind of mind-boggling for the size, you can go probably up to maybe even 2 days, especially with this one that's around 11 or 12,000 milliamps, and this one I think is 10,000. So these are serious batteries. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it on this one, and I know this one will take it up to almost 9 hours with no interruptions. And as you saw, that green rectangle that you see there, that's the motion detector that records that motion right away. So how this Wise camera gets you the playback is either by subscribing to their cloud service that can get you playback, or insert a micro SD card like I did. If you put a micro SD card, you just go to playback and you have your local storage from the card that you can just watch it on your phone, and you don't need to pay anything. But you can pay for them to deliver maybe a more pleasing service and watching stuff. And I don't know what they do because I don't have a premium subscription, even though I like the company. And I think with that said, it concludes our test here, and I hope you learned what you wanted to know. if you could connect one of these cameras to a battery and have it for hours and just, take it with you like this. And as you see on my phone here, let me put it full screen. As you see, putting the camera up right now and it moves. Yes. So this is an actual security camera that I'm almost using like a mobile phone camera. This is just beautiful and it works. And with that said, I'll see you next time. And subscribe. Don't be shy. Bye.